Hey everyone, my name's Paige. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to build my new work from home setup. So I had to get rid of everything for my old desk setup, and as you can see it was pretty raggedy. I was using a folding table. And then I started unboxing the new materials, and I figured out really quickly that I didn't have everything I needed.
Where is the rest of it? What? Well, that really stinks.
This treadmill was so heavy, I can't even explain. I couldn't even get it in the front door. This treadmill has been so nice. I definitely recommend. It's super convenient. I walk on it all the time and you just burn so many calories. It's sweet. Then finally the legs came in, so here I am unboxing those.
I'm supposed to put this together with an Allen wrench. An Allen wrench? Really?
By the way, the instructions for this desk were not very easy to understand. They were simple, but the English was not very good, so it took me so long just to understand what was going on. And the holes on the bottom of the desk don't align with the holes for the legs, so I pretty much had to guess. And then the little button right there that I'm screwing in, I didn't have holes for at all. So here I am testing out the desk for the first time. It was making a weird noise, so I had to go underneath and bend a piece of metal to get it to stop hitting, and then it worked fine. I was a little bit disappointed with the top of the desk when I finally got it all set up, because there was a bunch of kind of scratches and patched spots all over it. So that's just annoying because it was like a $300 desk, so come on. Also, the photo online is deceiving because the motor is on an opposite side than the buttons that make the desk go up and down, but on the instructions, they're on the same side. So here I'm just setting everything up. There's a lot of cords. I gotta figure out how to hide my cords a little bit better, but oh well. And then I mounted my computer. I could have got a double mount and done double monitors, but I figured one would be enough. And I laid out my mat and my mouse and my keyboard, hooked everything up, and I was ready to test it out. So overall, I love this new desk setup. It was definitely worth all of the setup and money involved, and I'm really excited to keep using it in the future. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next video.